Do you have projects you just can't seem to finish? Do you lack motivation? Do you miss your crochet group and the inspiration they bring to the project? Well, come crochet with me and we'll make beautiful projects together. Welcome to New Crochet, where we focus on completing projects and drawing inspiration from others, seasons, and fashions.
So I just wanted to show you a project. There's a few that turned out I need to redo, but these are hard as a rock. They're not going anywhere. And this is about 9 days after I did the starch. And this one is solid. That's a good one right there. But this tree I wanted to show you, it's still like bendy, and so I might have to redo this one, or I am gonna redo this one. That's just, I don't want to put that on a gift or even a tree or anything with it looking like that. And this one turned out well, and this one turned out really good. That one's solid. And then that one, that looks good. These up here, and I took the pins out, I think maybe the 3rd day. See, this one is a little bendy, so it's probably going to need to be redone. It's not solid. This one is bendy, and I'm going to redo that one. And the Christmas tree, the Christmas tree is bendy, so I'm redoing that one. And then this one turned out solid. So I had some good ones, I had some bad ones, and don't be afraid to experiment with this and redo it if you have to. There's nothing wrong with that.
Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's cozy crochet session. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button and ring the bell so you never miss a stitch. Share your beautiful creations with us in the comments below. Keep those hooks moving, and until next time, happy crocheting.